The shoes is the hardest thing to get used to. Push it. Push it. Don't kick it. At least it didn't show foul, right? You okay? Yeah. Next time, use your orange one. You know, this is my first full cigarette all day. You know what Wanda said? Since she got the water for me? She's like, you know what I told Matt? I go, what's that? She goes, you know what I told Matt about the cigarettes? I go, what's that? She goes, you need to stop. I go, I'm trying to go. I went from a 90-day to it lasted me 3 days. Right or wrong. Hold up. 1. Wait. Okay, go ahead. Don't kick it, push it, buddy. He's getting all slippery over there. If that stops, are you going to push it?
I don't want to use orange anymore.
You're going to have to wait because the ball is going to take forever to get down there. Huh? No. Well, you almost got one.
You got all of them. Score!
You got it, buddy? That's gonna stop with that. Wait, Nicholas.
I know the same tape.
No, wait. Not bad. Nicholas, don't spin it and just push it up there if you want. After this one, it's your last one, buddy.
After this one, it's my last.
No, actually, this is your last one, buddy. You need to